It's important to be a part of the foundation because it has the chance to make a difference in our community with the hospital. The hospital is a true asset to this community, one that we're proud of and one that is vital to the growth of our community. What I have learned is that as prospective industry comes to our community to look at our community, they look at a variety of things. They want to know about the parks and recreation, they want to know about our schools, they want to know about our other businesses, and one of the things they always ask about is how we serve the healthcare needs of our community citizens. The hospital is truly outstanding and an asset that they are always impressed by. The hospital is an institution that literally treats us from the beginning of life to the end of life. There is no doubt that cancer affects every single person. We all have loved ones who are affected by cancer, friends, neighbors, relatives, and for some reason we have a high incidence of breast cancer in our particular area.
So in the most recent statistics, breast cancer affects about 1 in 8 women. And it doesn't matter the demographics. So if you're at a party or you're around a bunch of people and there's 8 women there, the chances are one of those people are going to have breast cancer. We're very fortunate, especially in a small community, to have cutting-edge technology, especially in imaging. We have the 3D mammography, we have 3D ultrasound for breasts, which helps us diagnose abnormalities earlier. We're pretty fortunate in the area to have real good breast surgeons too, and to be able to have the oncology group we have that is very good with breast cancer. So you don't have to go to the city to get your chemotherapy or your biopsy.
I've been married to my husband for 22 years. We have 3 beautiful girls. I have a daycare center where I take care of 80 kids, so of course, they were, in the back of my mind the entire time. I don't think people understand how important it is until you go through it. But for the amount of people that are affected in our community, it's huge for working moms and mothers. To be close to your children's school still and to be able to get to them in 10 or 15 minutes, whenever you want to still pick them up from school, and to not have to drive an hour to an hour and a half one way to receive your treatment.
Having a community-based hospital in a small community is very important because we are captive to the health care that you can get in an emergency and when you're really, really ill. And so it's really important to be able to grow this facility to meet the needs of the community. We want to be able to care for people in the sickest moments of their life so that they don't have to travel to and from other cities or locations in order to get that treatment. The Advancing Cancer Care Closer to Home project is an exciting chapter for the Foundation and Western Missouri Medical Center. We want to raise $330,000 in 2019 in order to fund this project.